Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Spring Framework and Spring Boot tutorial, let us go with one more new topic. In Spring Core module, we are in Spring Core module, and already we have seen how to work, what is the meaning of dependency injection, inversion of control, then how to inject one object into another. So we are discussing all these things in Spring Core modules. Core module is very, very important. If you are good with core module, understanding remaining modules will be very, very simple for us. And in the last videos, even we have seen how to inject a set and a list into the Spring Bean class. Today we are going to discuss how to inject a map into the Spring Bean class. For that, let us go with the application directly. In our Spring project, under SRC main Java, we are having this package com.spring. Right click on package and say new class. Let us go with the name of the class like product details. I'm going with the class name product details. In this product details class, let us create a property. Let us go with the property map string comma integer. Here I'm going with products. So here products is of type map. Products is of what type here? Map. Here the key is of type string, value is of type integer. So here I'm going to take the key as the product name and the value, that is product value, the value of your product. Now let us generate setters and getter methods. Right click and say source, and you can see the option generate getters and setters. Select all, generate. So here we are going with setter injection. So setter injection with map, what we are discussing here. So set products, which take your products map as argument, and we are assigning to the products, and get products will return the products here in the form of map string comma integer. Now the bean class is ready. Now once the bean class is ready, our next step is what? We have to create Spring Bean XML configuration file. So where to create that? Under SRC main resources, right click on SRC main resources and say new other XML file. Let me go with the name as product.xml. I'm going with the name product.xml. Say finish. Now take the template here. In the last video we have created this template now. Spring XML template. Copy this piece of code. Come to this product.xml. Paste this code. Remove this code and paste it here. Now start doing the configuration here. This is important. Start like this. Bean ID equal to product. So in the test class, when you refer to the bean ID product, it returns object of class com.spring.product details. What is the name of our Spring Bean class? Product details. Now in this Spring Bean class product details, what is the property do we have? Products. Now, and since we are giving value to this property using setter injection, here we have to use the element property. Property name. What is the name of the property? Products. Now, since this property products is of type map, so take the element here map. Take the element map, and here when you go with map, we have to give the value in the form of key value pairs. When you go with map, we have to give value what? In the form of which format? Key and value. So for that, we have to say like this: entry key equal to the value of the key, that is monitor, and the value of the key I'm saying 5000. So in this one, since this product is a map, so it will be in the form of key value pair. So what is the key? Monitor. And what is the value? 5000. Like that, we can go with some entry. Entry key equal to keyboard, and the value is 500. The entry key equal to mouse, value equal to some 300. Entry key equal to UPS, value equal to 2000. Entry key equal to speakers, value equal to 1000. So we are having the property products, and we are giving in the form of map. Since it's of type map, we have to use the element map and provide the key values here. Now This XML file is ready now. Now let us test the application. To test the application, and right click on com.spring package and say new class. Let me go with the name product test. Let us go with the name product test with main method. Now in this main method, go with the interface application context equal to new class path XML application context. To this, we need to pass the XML file product.xml. Then import the respective packages. Now say product details equal to context.getBean. Context.getBean. What is the name of the bean ID here? Product. Let us check once. What is the name we have given? Product ID, bean ID product, which is going to return object of product details, and by injecting this all products. Now, since getBean method returns object, go with the typecasting. Now these product details are ready now. Now invoke the getter method. So to get map string comma integer, say here products equal to product details dot get products. So when you call the method get products, it's going to return the products back to us, and it will be in the form of key value pair. Now import the package for map. Now traverse these products. How to traverse? We have to say here, first of all, get the keys from the products. Set string product names equal to products dot key set. So whenever you call the method by using this map products dot key set, it's going to return all the keys here. So that keys will come and store into this product names. It's of type set. Import the package for set. Now traverse this product names for string product name colon product names. So this loop will repeat for how many times? Depends on the number of products available over here. Now print the result like this in system.out.println. Say product name is product name and the value is products dot, what is the name of the map here? Products. So in map we are having a method get. To the get method, if you pass the product key, to the map, in the map we are having get method. To the get method, if you pass the key, what is the key here? This one, product name. So this is going to return the value of the key. Now see, when we run, how we are going to get the result? See here, product name is monitor, value is 5000. Product name is mouse, value is 300. Product name is speakers, and the value is 1000. Right? So this is the way to inject map. This is important for us. How to inject map, setter injection into your bean class. This is the way to inject. So property name products, go with the element here map and provide the key and value. So to do that, by using the element entry. To the entry tag, we pass key and the value. So this is the way to inject map into the Spring Bean class. Right? So that's about in this video. And with this, we complete our Spring Core module, and in the next video, let us start off with one more new module, Spring DAO module, where we discuss about Spring JDBC. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.